guys, welcome back. Today we're working on the trunk latch because I drove it around today just for a minute and it is incredibly annoying having this thing flop around. So I decided I'd go ahead and start making this panel. I zipped it together real quick out of a couple of pieces before I remembered to turn the camera on. I figured I'd bring you in at least for the tack welding because that's marginally interesting. But as it does every day, it's raining. Wasn't supposed to, 0% chance it's sunny today, but since I decided to come outside and try to get something done, it's decided to rain. So, no matter, we'll go ahead and get back to tacking. Clean all of this. Oh yeah, that'll do. There we go. See the magic of grinding? It looks like something. And even more lucky, this closes. Hooray! I mean, it won't stay because the latch isn't installed yet, but I have a place to put the latch, so that's extremely exciting. Now I'm going to shoot it black with some appliance epoxy. Make it all disappear, basically. that. Put a fresh rebuild on it. Call that a win. Alright, till the next one. Thanks, guys. Alright, everybody. I'm not exactly sure where I left off, but yesterday I had some camera problems. Dead battery, didn't know it. But I got the rear bumper installed. So that looks a ton better, I think. The bumper was bent in the center. I tried to straighten it a little bit, but nothing doing. So I just kind of split the difference on the sides here. It's not perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. And I lowered it probably half an inch just to kind of hide the fact that the car sits higher now. I think it looks good. Also fabricated a new catch for the trunk lid. So I tied this panel all together. Pretty happy about that. Today's mission is to try to make a new subfloor for the trunk. So I have something to put metal on. You can see I've already got some square tubing here. I'm trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. We're going to make it super simple, nothing crazy. Just going to run it flat so I can keep the carbon canister and the evap stuff out of the way and retain the spare tire assembly. And I'll take this white train wreck off of here and weld like a nut or something on it so I can use a ratchet to lower and raise the spare tire. But for right now it's fine. But yeah, she looks great. It looks so much better closed. Looks like a car. From the back you can't even tell. It's still an abomination. Up front it's starting to look like what she's going to look like. But look, the bumper really made a difference. It doesn't look like it's sitting as high anymore. Oh, and I lowered the exhaust about an inch in the back yesterday so it doesn't hit the fender anymore, because I didn't want to modify the fender. But I didn't have to, which I didn't. Just removed the original bushing and retainer and took one of those cheap, you can see, one of those just cheap rubber hangers from like the parts store. Ran a bolt through it to a exhaust hanger so I didn't have to modify the exhaust, and just lowered it down, ran a bolt through it. So it's not pretty, but it'll do the job. And no more rattles. That's really what I'm about today.